Weather update for Sunday. We have a wind advisory again for today. We had one Friday and the wind was absolutely crazy. We lost power several times. My brother and his wife live in the town over, and they did not have power from 7:30 p.m. Friday night until 2 p.m. the next morning, or the next day, I should say. And then my sister has our dancers at a dance competition in Pittsburgh, and they were without power at the venue for like 12, 13 hours. We have these advisories again today, guys, but right now it is really super nice out. If you guys are into weather updates, hearing about the weather, learning about the weather, give me a like and a follow and come on the journey with me.